Hello kids, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to learn 2D shapes. First we are going to know the color's name. Orange color. This is orange color. Next, green color. This is green color. Next, red color. This is red color. Next kids, blue color. This is blue color. Next, yellow color. This is yellow color. Next, olive color. This is olive color. And this is black pen. This is triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon and square. Now let's draw the shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, now square, now let's put the colors. Orange color, triangle, next, green color, circle, next, red color, heart, next, yellow color, star, next, blue color, pentagon, next kids, olive color, square, what we learn? We learn triangle, orange color, circle, green color, heart, red color, star, yellow color, pentagon, blue color, square, olive color. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.